Rusi, guess what? It looks like they've got a new model, but there's no price yet, and it's called a 400.
400 cc.
It's 400 cc, and is it 2 cylinders? It looks like 2 cylinders. It got two. Oh, it is 2 cylinders for sure. Okay, it's a pretty nice looking bike. Very small windshield here, and yeah, you can see. I think it's water cooled because it has the radiator there. Either that or that's a oil cooler. So maybe we can get down in here, see something here. But this is something new. It's a 400 because it says twin cylinder, folding foot pegs, dual exhaust. The exhaust looks like it appears to be stainless. And let's look over here. There's a cylinder there. Yeah, I think it's water cooled because the fins aren't really deep. And here is the speedometer. No, I think that's the tachometer there. Speedometer is digital. Very nice bike. I guess this is gonna go on sale. It's interesting how they got the front spokes there. Yeah, it's waterproof. See, there's the radiator cap. Do you know when they're gonna put this on sale? It's 400.
We don't have the official announcement so that it will be
there's no
sold.
official announcement.
We're waiting for the price list of it also. So right now we don't know, how much is the cash price for that, and especially for the installment.
Okay, and it has kind of like a old school
It's a
type
really nice model.
rear light. What?
Nice model.
Yeah, it's a nice model. Yeah,
Really nice model.
very nice.
400 cc, much stronger.
400 cc.
Yeah,
So if you're waiting for
400
Rusi to come out with something bigger, and also it does have, looks like cooling fans on the radiator. So I guess if you're stopped in traffic, it'll cool everything down. It's just a sample. Okay, it's coming. Okay. All right. We want to thank Eva, and there she is there, and that's the latest with Rusi.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.